Hey all, week one grades have been posted, so please make sure to check those out. If you have any questions, let me know. One thing I wanted to mention is that it's really important as you work on your assignments, number one, to explain why, but number two, make sure that you're directly linking what you're saying back to the course content. So there were quite a few assignments that were submitted that had some really great information, but it's important to explain why that matters from the standpoint of a healthcare finance class. What does it have to do with financial management? I could see where you were going, but it's important to directly make that connection for me, so I know that you're for sure understanding those concepts. This week, we're coming up to Easter Sunday, so for those of you who celebrate, I hope you have a great celebration. You may want to consider posting your assignments early so that you can celebrate on Sunday and not worry about class. If you have any questions, please be sure to let me know. Have a great week, guys.